Hey, welcome back to Corbellic Studio. I'm Corbellic. I'm going to be knocking out another cool painting step by step. I'm really happy that you enjoy these videos of me just doing a breakdown, me just showing up to work. This is what I do. So this painting is going to be real cool right here. I'm going to call this one the Guru. I'm painting the Guru. All right. You're going to laugh when you see what this looks like and why I'm going to call it that right there, because you'll see. But yeah, I'm happy that you enjoy these videos, checking them all out. If you want to learn how you could do these as well, you could just have fun pumping out the paintings. We're painting in 10 to 12 minutes on each canvas. Click the link below, tap into the free eBay art community so you can see how you can start making money for yourself and your family starting next week. All right, let's get pumping on this painting because I'm excited. I want to get in here and paint this, and let's see what it's going to look like. All right, this is the Guru. I don't know if you can see it, but this is one of these coaches that's out here, always talking about they're going to make you $1 billion overnight, and that they're here for you, and that they're going to help your pancake flipping, pancake eating business. I don't know. So let's see what this looks like. Oh. All right, I'm just making sure that I got enough background. I'm going to hit the background first with a solid blue. That way it's going to be easier for me later when I punch in the face. In Spanish, they call this a payaso, which means clown. But in English, we can call this a guru. We could call this a coach guru. They're like, give me $10,000 and I'll set you up on a phone call, and I'll help you with your business that I know nothing about. I promise you. And then if they don't get you anything close to the results, like you're already out of your money, and well, I tried to help you, it was your fault. But sign up to my email list. Tell any friends if they want to put in a testimony. All right, let's get working on this. How do we want to start him off? Let's start him off with his hair. Right? Let's give him that silly clown hair. And I'm working off of the 1-inch brush right here. That way we could just do this really fast. It's like an impressionism look. All right. I don't consider, I just thought about that. Like I was going to say, let me know in the comments if you guys had any luck with working with certain coaches, or how did that go for you? I don't really consider myself a coach because I'm not coaching you with anything. I'm just letting you know and showing the secrets of what I've learned about how to sell off of eBay. Coaches always talk about how they're going to help your business or how they're going to scale you up and things like that. I'm just telling you to apply things that I applied. Maybe that is a coach. Maybe, I don't know. You let me know. Maybe I'm jaded. If I am, let me know in the comments. You're jaded. Stop talking about those good guys. Those coaches are great. They helped me make $600 million last week. If that was true, I don't think so many people would be resonating with my videos. If it was just that simple, right? It's that simple that you could just go out there, you just make the money, you just pancake hot dog flipper business, and everybody wants it. I'm going to make sure that only thing you got to do is pay me $10,000, get on a phone call with my assistant and my appointment scheduler, they're going to ask you questions about your horoscope. Where do you see yourself in 10 years from now? And then we're going to create a business plan for you. I don't know what your business is, but isn't that what they say? But first, I need to make sure that you're a qualifier. Go to my website, fill out this. They say fill out their 600-page essay about yourself so you could qualify if they could help you. I just always thought that was crazy. Like, I couldn't stand when I was in the workforce, if I need a job, and then they would ask you all these questions first. Like, I know that's part of the process, I guess, but it's like, if you're going to be paying some of these coaches or something like that for their assistance and help, why are they going to put you through the effort of, well, first, before I can help you, let me ask you 20 questions, 30 questions. Like, who wants to deal with all of that? And I'm supposed to pay you? I'm supposed to pay you, but I have to fill out a questionnaire first. No way. Forget it at that point. I've seen so many courses, like I've said, and I spent so much money on gurus and coaches myself, where I've seen the tips and tricks and different methods of what they use. So that's why I have one of the best courses out there, because as soon as you go into my course, I don't do let me introduce and tell you about myself. I don't have some long funnel page that you have to scroll all the way down in testimonies. I don't have too much, because then it's homework. And if you have to do homework, you don't want to do it. The thing that I make very simple when it comes to my course is that as soon as you're in there, you get everything that what you need. This is the action plans. Step 1, let's make a sale. Step 2, let's go from there. It's not step 1, let me tell you about myself. I feel like if you watch enough of my YouTube videos as is, then you can hear more about what my journey is and a little bit about myself and all of that. But if you're at the course, if you're already at that point, you don't need to hear that. Let's get to the money. We know what we're here for. Let's stop pretending. Payaso? You clown? All right, now let's start have fun. Let's start adding in. Well, first, you know what I'm going to do? I want to dry him off a little bit. So let me use the heat gun and dry him off. So that way I could go in with the next layer, and then we're going to be done. We're going to be done real quick with this guy. All right, there we go. I just dried him off. Let's go in with a dark red for this clown's lips, this guru's lips, right? Now, as you can see, you can download this image. Well, you could download this image where I have it in the eBay art community, or you can get your own references. It doesn't matter. And you could see that it's not exactly the image of what you would download. It doesn't matter, but I created this in my own style. It doesn't matter the method to how we got here. It's about the results. I finished this clown quick today because I got tired of looking at his face. Just reminds me of those gurus who robbed me out of money. No, I never felt like I was robbed out of money because I was always skeptical. And I tell you the same thing, always be skeptical. Ask me questions. Don't just believe anything I say either. You don't know me. But I try to make everything clear as mud when it comes to the proof, my testimonies, and who I am. I think that's really one of the selling points of why I started doing this, because I was like, you know what? I got too much proof of what I've been doing over the years. I'm not like these other people where they can't show up to work. They don't have all of the feedback. They don't have the sales in eBay. Like you could go to eBay yourself and you can see I sold over 17,000 original paintings, over $1 million, and all of the proof is there. So I was like, you know what? I'm in a great advantage where I'm not like the rest of these clowns because I actually have the proof. It's like, so take advantage of it while you have it, man. You put the work in. You put the work in so that way you can help people. And people can take your word for it, or not take your word for it, but at least that you have the social proof. You have the proof there. Corbellic, so don't hold on to your gifts. And that's the same thing for you. You have a certain gift out there that nobody else has, a certain thing that you can give knowledge on. Don't hold on to it. There's people who actually need it and who will be thankful for it. And you don't realize that. You just need to think to yourself, like, what am I good at, or what things that I accomplished? Or even if it's just corporate America, you can think about some of those skill sets and think about how you can help other people. Before I got into eBay, and it was right before the pandemic, before the lockdowns, I said to myself that I was going to come out with a podcast talking about corporate America because I've had so many jobs, and I was going to help people with just how to navigate, I guess, the office politics, or how to get a new job, or how to go about it. And I was about to film it, and then everything happened, and I started doing eBay. So I didn't get a chance to do the podcast about corporate America and how all the jobs that I had and things that I learned. But what's funny is life comes back full circle, because now I'm able to talk about my previous experience working in corporate America with you, but I'm able to talk about it in a different light. That's how life is. Life is funny like that. Didn't think of it like that until now. All right, now let's turn the lights back on, see if we want to touch up on anything. Look at this guru. Oh man, this is a trip. This is too funny. See, if you're not having fun doing art like this, then what's the point? And we did this together. We did this real fast. There was no plan to it, to be honest. All right, that's it. That's it. And we're done. We did this together. Right? If I can do it, you could do it. Look at that guru. Look at him. He's such a clown. If you want to do your own clown and just have your own imagination, maybe there's something out there. Maybe you want to paint your boss or your manager at work, and you could do this at home and just in your own mind and just have fun with it. And you want to learn about how to do that, but also how to make money when you're doing it, then click the link below to the free eBay art community. See how you can do this. Join up with other like-minded people in the community who want to free themselves financially. And I'm going to check you out on the next video.